Welcome to another exciting episode on artificial intelligence on our AI channel. Imagine being able to create complete stories for your YouTube channel without the need for a big budget or a casting crew. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into the revolutionary world of AI in film generation. With the new AI tool, LTX Studio, this dream is now a reality. LTX Studio allows you to generate full-fledged stories at the click of a button. Whether you're looking to create bedtime stories for kids, thrilling adventure tales, or spine-chilling horror narratives, LTX Studio has got you covered. It's designed to make storytelling accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience or resources. With tools like LTX Studio, you can unleash your creativity without limitations. No more worrying about finding the perfect actors or securing a hefty budget. The AI handles it all, giving you the freedom to focus on crafting engaging and imaginative stories that will captivate your audience. And the best part? LTX Studio is available now. Yes, you heard it right. You can start creating amazing content for your YouTube channel today. So if you're as excited as we are about this groundbreaking AI tool, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to MrThisVsThat. We'll keep you updated on all the latest tech innovations and how they can help you create incredible content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.